Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel where we compare the latest tech products. In today's video, we'll be comparing the Intel Core i5-12400 and AMD Ryzen 5 5500. If you're looking for a new processor, this is the perfect video for you. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below which one you prefer, and hit the subscribe button for more tech reviews. Both the Intel Core i5-12400 and AMD Ryzen 5 5500 offer fast processing speeds and great performance. But the Intel processor has a higher clock speed at 2.50 GHz and features hyper-threading architecture, delivering better performance for demanding applications. On the other hand, the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 offers 6 cores and 12 processing threads with 4.2 GHz max boost, offering a fast 100+ FPS performance in the world's most popular games. Discrete graphics card required. The AMD Ryzen 5 5500 is a great budget-friendly processor option, priced at just $98. Meanwhile, the Intel Core i5-12400 is priced at $182, making it more expensive. However, when it comes to performance, the Intel processor does offer better performance for demanding applications, making it a better value for those willing to spend more on a processor. The Intel Core i5-12400 has 18 MB of L3 cache, which is great for routine data processing for fast and smooth performance. The AMD Ryzen 5 5500, on the other hand, offers 19 MB cache. Both processors are great options for handling large amounts of data and processing it quickly. Overall, both processors have their strengths depending on what you are looking for in a processor. The Intel Core i5-12400 offers better performance for demanding applications, while the AMD Ryzen 5 5500 is a great budget-friendly option for fast gaming performance. We hope this comparison has helped you make a decision on which processor is right for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech reviews, and we'll see you in the next video.